Danielle Nadeau.
Hello.
Good morning, Danielle. Who's this with you?
This is my son, Christopher.
He was driving the car?
He was driving the car.
Well, congratulations for bringing him down here.
Thank you.
You said the car's under my name, and I got this ticket, and you're coming to court today, right?
Well, he kind of has an explanation for it, so I was going to let him talk to you.
What's your name, Christopher?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Christopher. How old are you?
19.
Are you in school?
No, I'm leaving for the Army on Tuesday next week.
Oh, yeah. Where are you leaving for? Where are you going?
I'm going to Missouri for basic training.
Are you ready for that?
I think so.
Yeah?
I think so. I have to be.
You look like you're in pretty good shape, so I think you can handle basic training.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to the Marine and ask the Marine. Is he ready for basic training?
Take those earrings out and shave before you get there.
Absolutely.
Did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, earrings coming out, and you're shaving.
Yep.
That's the Inspector Carrigan, the Marine.
Yes, they'll finish off his hair for him, but I wouldn't go with the earrings or a little bit of a beard.
Okay, what do you want to tell me about the ticket?
I was parked outside of Hewitt Street, and I work for Mike Lemoy. He owns a few properties along the west end of Providence. And I was parking there, and I work with my father for Mr. Lemoy. And I was giving them some tools. I was literally in and out, probably not even 5 minutes or so. I was just unlucky enough. The parking police drove by and was giving me a ticket as soon as I came outside.
Yeah.
And my boss had told me that it would be paid, and
He didn't pay it,
no, sir.
so now it tripled.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Inspector Carrigan, tell this young man what he's due in for basic training.
Oh, I don't
Is
know.
there
What the
anything
Army,
special he can do to get ready?
I don't know what the Army does for basic training. I can tell him what the Marine Corps did for basic training.
Yeah, this
I
is
think yours is a little bit less, and I'm not going to say easier, just
into the mic, Dan.
less time. I believe it's going to be less time. I believe their basic training is 8 weeks.
10 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, so ours is a little longer. So I don't know what he's in for.
No,
With the Army, no. I never went to Army boot camp. I went to the Marine Corps boot camp.
I think you're a little prejudiced.
Just
It's
knowledgeable with one half, not the other.
I'm sure you're going to do quite well. You look like you're in good shape. You ready?
Yeah, I'm trying to stay in shape. You know, I go to the gym every day.
Yeah. Okay, good. I want to congratulate you on volunteering to protect your country.
Thank you.
You know, it takes a special person to do that. I'm very, very appreciative of people that serve in the armed forces. You know, I really do give them special consideration. So I'm going to wish for you a long and happy tour of duty in the army. How many years did you sign up for?
6.
6 years.
Yes.
Yeah? Is there something at the end of that? At the end of 6 years? Is there school? Is there anything else that
Not that I know of right now.
Yeah.
It depends what I choose, I believe.
yeah. How much do they make in the Army now? Do you know? You don't even know.
I haven't done much research. I just know that
You're
I've been
okay.
thinking about doing it for a while. So
I was going to ask you that. When's the first time you thought about going into the Army?
probably freshman year of high school, I started
Yeah.
thinking about what I was
Yeah.
gonna do after.
How many children do you have?
I have 2.
2?
Yes, him, and then I have a 12-year-old daughter.
Oh, so you're going to miss this guy.
Very much.
He's going to do just fine. He's going to do just fine. He's going to make us all proud.
Oh, he sure will.
Okay. Well, it's customary to give somebody a gift when they're going away to serve the military, so this is your dismissal.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
And again, thank you for volunteering to protect our country.
Absolutely.
You're a
It's
special
pleasure.
person. I'm sure it comes from your family upbringing. Congratulations to you, Mama, on bringing up such a wonderful
Thank
young
you.
man.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Kimberly, I have a question to ask you.
Yes.
What are you doing here, Kimberly? You get a $25 parking ticket.
I already had one before, and they weren't my fault, so
It wasn't your fault?
no. I have
This is a
receipts.
This is a parking meter violation.
Yeah.
So
They told me I could. So.
absolutely you could. You're entitled to come in. But usually people for $25, they say, I'm not going to get up at like 5:30 in the morning to get in court for a $25 ticket. I'll just pay it. So what do you think about that? Tell me why you came. I'm curious.
Well, 'cause I go to school here in downtown, so I'm assuming I'm gonna get a couple more for
okay.
whatever reason.
Where do you go to school?
Johnson and Wales.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and I always pay, My class, I had an hour class, and I paid for 2 hours, and I still got a ticket.
Kimberly, where are you from?
I was born here, but my parents are from Guatemala.
Guatemala?
Yeah.
Oh, how long have they been here?
20 years?
20 years? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Inspector Carrigan, you had a chance to view the evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. She paid by that mobile app, so she paid on December 6th at 9:24 a.m. and it was good till 11:24 a.m.
So Inspector Carrigan is now telling me that you're completely honest and that everything you say is accurate and true.
Thank you.
Now, when you went to Mount Pleasant, right,
Yeah.
there have to be many kids in your class who were children of immigrants, right?
Yeah.
A lot. That's what the Providence school system is like today, right?
Yeah.
Well, you're a first-generation American, right? That's how qualify. You're a child of immigrants, an immigrant, right? So,
Yeah.
so you classify as a first-generation American. Now, I understand that. I'm first-generation American. My dad wasn't born in this country, right? So when you came here, they came here. Obviously, they had a dream for their children. So your parents had a dream for you, right?
Yeah.
What was that dream? Come on, tell me.
For me to have more than them, and so far, I have.
You have.
Yeah.
You're making them proud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Keep up. That's the story of America. You know that.
Yeah.
Kimberly, the matter is dismissed.
Thank you.
You did a good job here. You may want to consider being a lawyer.
No thanks.
No, be a biologist.
Thank you.
Good luck.
What do I do with this? Can I just?
Rip it up.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
You're free to go.
Thank you.
Your Honor, it's been a lot of years, but I guess you don't remember me.
All right. Well, while we're getting your summons, let me see. You're telling me that I don't recognize you. Let me ask you. No. Where do I know you from?
Well, first of all, Hope High School, you were a teacher there.
I was.
Yeah, and then you used to give me a ride to Hoyle Square after school, not every night, but I used to pick up my father's car because he worked at the Hoyle Open Air Market, and he used to drop me off there. And then I applied for a position at the engineer's office as a draftsman slash surveyor. And the ruling at that time was that you had to have a councilman okay your position. So I visited with you, and you made the phone call, and
So let me get this straight. So you were a student of mine,
yeah,
and did I pass you? Did you pass?
of course.
What did you get for a grade?
I think it was a B,
You got a B. Probably deserved a C, right?
maybe a little less than that.
A little bit. So that's one favor.
Right,
So then I gave you a ride.
right.
It's two favors, right? Then I was a city councilman at the time.
Right.
And then I had to sponsor you for a job. 3 strikes, you're out. You have no shot with this case. Is there anyone here from environmental?
She is, Judge.
Okay, what do you want to tell me about this?
Well, it's a recycling violation. There's plastic bags inside the recycling container, which isn't allowed.
So what do you want to tell me about this?
Well, first of all, I got a notification in the mail that I owed $50 for a violation. I was never notified previously that I was in violation. Now, they said that I had plastic in there. And here's the plastic bag, which comes from Walmart, and it says right there, recyclable.
So it's Walmart's fault.
Well, it can't be Walmart's fault.
Well, it's got to be
Not that I
somebody.
work there or anything, I don't have stock in Walmart, but the thing is,
Oh, no, so that's the reason, so
well, if you can get the $50 from Walmart, fine.
you've come a long way. You couldn't afford a ride to Hoyle Square you get a ride from me. Now you got stock in Walmart. It's got to give it capitalist.
That recommendation for a job must have worked out quite well, Judge.
I thought I got rid of this guy 50 years ago. He's like a bad penny. He keeps popping up.
I thought that the job would have been the last of it.
All right. Actually, I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. He read the bag. The bag says it's recyclable. Thought he could do it. So we're going to give him a break on this, okay?
Okay.
Don't come back next week with another bag and say, I thought it was recyclable.
No more bags. No more bags. I could make a joke about that, but she's really close, right behind me.
No. How did he do? Did he do okay?
Yeah, I'm the one who put the bags. I thought it was...
You?
I was doing good. I said, oh, how convenient. Walmart's giving me a bag that's recyclable.
You've come a long way. You didn't blame your wife. She got up here, she's taking the heat for you, right? I gotta give you a lot of credit. I gotta give you some credit. Any other guy would have got up and said, it wasn't me, it was my wife, she did it. I didn't know anything about it, put her in jail, get the money from her. But you didn't do that. So you manned up.
That's it.
I do remember your husband when he was a young guy.
Do you?
Yeah, of course. I mean, well, I remember because once he told me about the ride.
He always speaks highly of you.
You're supposed to tell me that before I make a decision, not after. Let me ask one, is he a good husband?
He absolutely is.
If he steps out of line, call me. I know.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Now, I want to tell you that when you're operating, how long have you been driving?
A while, since I was like 16.
So, you've been driving a year or two, right?
No,
Oh.
no.
Well, anyway, however many years it is, when you're operating your vehicle and there's a red light, and you see a big arm like this with a camera on the end of it, that means you're being filmed. Did you know that?
I did.
You did. That makes it even worse. So, evidently, knowing it or not knowing it doesn't make much difference because it appears you don't pay much attention to it.
No, Your Honor, I do.
Karen, let's look at 872, please. Okay, the light is yellow. It's red. Wow, you're in a hurry.
No, this was the one after Christmas, the day after Christmas, right? December 26th,
Yeah.
2020. This is the great debate between me and my husband because I had a baby September 27th of 2020, and I know for a fact that was not me the day after Christmas.
So did you discuss this with your husband?
Yeah, it's the debate.
But he said he kept pointing this finger at you. He said,
Yeah,
it's you.
and it's my car, so here I am. But I know I had my daughter September 27th of 2020. Like, I wasn't even hailed by December 26th.
How many children do you have?
Well, I have one, my biological birth daughter, and then the son that's in the hospital, I adopted him. And he's a sick baby, so
How old is it? How
he's
old is
4
he?
now.
He's 4 years old.
I've had him since he was 3 months and 3 weeks. I took him from Women and Infants. Yep.
You have a good heart.
Thank you.
Need more people like you. Are you working?
I actually resigned from DCYF so I can get him out of the hospital. I never intended on adopting him. I couldn't give him back, so I have to keep him. That's my baby.
So you legally adopted him, or you just have custody?
No, I full adopted him.
You
I'm
adopted
his
him?
mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A friend of mine and her daughter took 2 children from DCYF. The daughter was a school teacher, or is a school teacher, and DCYF was coming to take a young man, a little boy, who at the time was, he was 8, and the home situation evidently was determined to be so bad that they were going to remove this young boy. And the young girl who was a teacher said, where are you taking him? And DCYF says, we're taking him in our custody and we'll attempt to place him. And she said, the young teacher said, I'll take him. And they said, well, if you take him, you have to take your sister. So they did. They took both of those children, and they're thriving now. They're thriving. Actually, I'm their godfather.
Oh, that's even better.
Yeah, it is good. Well, and now you have a bunch of parking tickets.
Your Honor, that was like 10 years ago.
Right, the original fine on the parking tickets was $90, and then there were penalties. So I'm going to waive the penalties. So it's going to be $90 for the parking tickets and $125 for the red light, for a total of $215.
Okay.
However, based on your commitment, what you've done and what you're continuing to do, I'm going to take all of that into consideration, and this is going to be paid by the Philomena Fund.
Thank you.
Philomena Fund is a fund named after my mom, from people all over the world.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No more red lights.
No. I'm going to stop at everything now.
Good luck. You take care of your husband when you get home. Say, listen,
Yes.
You tell him the judge said it was him.
I think it was. I will.
Have a good day.